Hi everybody, how are you doing today? This is Farhan from the Designer's Log. Today I'll show you how to combine different objects in Adobe Illustrator. So without any further ado, let's get started. Suppose you wanna join three countries together. So what you need to do, just select the Shape Builder tool. The keyboard shortcut is Shift plus M. Make sure you select all the objects that you want to combine or unite. You can see the cursor has a plus sign. When you hold Alt option, it changes to minus. The plus sign adds objects and the minus sign subtracts objects. For example, here we have two circles. First select the Shape Builder tool. Now if you want to subtract the bigger circle, what you need to do, just hold Alt option and click and drag. And if I want to add them, just click and drag. And remember, it will take the fill color. Since the fill color is black, so the whole object turned into black. Okay, now let's come to our main example. We want to unite three countries. First select everything with selection tool. Now select the Shape Builder tool. You can pick any suitable color that will affect the whole object. Now just click and drag. Do not press the Alter option button. It will subtract everything. We don't want that. See? Done. That was easy, right? I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then please like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.